In this video, we will learn how to color a cell in Word document. So let's start this in my Word document. You can see I already filled all color. So in every cell have a different color. So you can easily fill it. So let's start how it's done. So I open my Word document. Okay. Now if you want to fill the color only one cell, then select that cell. Okay. And after that go to the table design tab. In table style have a shadings option. Just click on the shading drop down arrow, then select the color those you want to fill. See, the color is filled. Same as if you want to fill the multiple cell, okay, then select the multiple cell, just drag with the mouse and select the cell. Again go to the table design tab. In shadings select the color those you want to fill here. Okay, same as if you want to fill here the full table with the color, so select here the full table with the drag with the mouse and go to the tables design and click on the shadings option and select the color those you want to fill. So that's it. Hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.